power level, because carrier is being modulated modulatingly, and then only it is being transmitted. So it's like variation in the power level is there. Apart from that, there is a path from various buildings, from various structure side, reflections will occur. And there are other things which have to spoil the environment is the diffraction and scattering also. Reflection, refraction, and diffraction and or scattering. These are all the three things which spoil the signal which is reaching to the antenna. So all these distort the signal. And when by the time it reaches the antenna, the distorted signal is being received, and then will not be able to appropriately give the direction of travel information. So ruled out, but not totally. Some people who cannot invest in a larger amounts for processing boards and larger amounts for other things and all, they do still follow this technique. So I don't want to name who are the agencies, but some of the agencies are using this directional antenna by rotating the directional antenna. Yeah. Another thing is the Doppler principle, which we are being studying from what is that earlier days of our education. Like whenever source and emitter or either of the source or emitter are moving, the frequency changes. That is the Doppler principle. Correct. So here, first leave about the pseudo. So just focus on the Doppler. What it happens is that there is one rotating platform which is called servo system. On top of that, one reference antenna is kept, and one more antenna is directional antenna is kept. So reference antenna keeps receiving the signal that doesn't move. So it obtains the exact frequency. Whereas which is being mounted close to the reference antenna on a servo, it keeps rotating. Whenever this antenna is close to the receiving signal, the frequency increases, and whenever it is away from the signal, the frequency reduces. So that way the direction is being formed. Now this is the Doppler principle. As there is a what is the probability of failure for the direction of movement of the servo is more, and at the same time, as cannot move at very higher speeds, beam steering is done. Like several antennas are placed, and with the help of multiplexer, one antenna at a time is being selected. So that is called pseudo Doppler. So the disadvantage in this is that whatever I say, this is based on the frequency of the principle. Earlier one is based on the principle of amplitude. This is based on the principle of frequency. Similarly, what is that? The modulating wave changes the carrier frequency. So you don't know whether it is the what is that proximity to the emitter it has reached, or it is the modulating frequency which has caused this change. So there is a confusion. So this is also not being used widely. And this is Watson technique. In this, what is mainly this is